For 2 episodes, I've told you that you cannot picture higher dimensions, and that's true. You will never directly see a 4-dimensional object ever. But here's the loophole: you can see its shadow. A 3-dimensional cube held up to a light casts a flat, 2-dimensional shadow on the wall. In the very same way, a 4-dimensional cube casts a 3-dimensional shadow, one that we can build and look at and even watch move. That 4-dimensional cube has a name. It's called a tesseract. Let's go see one. To understand it, we climb a ladder 1 dimension at a time using a single repeating trick. Start with a point, 0 dimensions. Now drag that point in a new direction and connect the start to the end. You get a line, 1 dimension, 2 corners. Take that line, drag it sideways into a second direction, connect the corners, and you get a square, 2 dimensions, 4 corners. Take the square, drag it into a third direction, connect the corners again, and a cube appears, 3 dimensions, 8 corners. Every single step is the same move. Copy the shape and connect it along a brand new direction. So now, do it one more time. Take the cube and drag it into a 4th direction, a direction that is perpendicular to length, width, and height all at once. Connect every corner of the first cube to the matching corner of the second. That object is the tesseract. It has 16 corners, twice the cube's 8, and it's a perfectly logical shape. The only problem is that the 4th direction doesn't exist in our world, so we can't actually drag anything into it. But we don't need to, we just need the shadow. Here's how that shadow looks. When you project a tesseract down into 3 dimensions, you get a small cube sitting inside a larger cube with their corners all connected. Now that inner cube is not really smaller. It only looks smaller for the same reason a road looks narrower in the distance. In the shadow, smaller and inside actually means further away in the 4th dimension. Both cubes are identical. Your eyes just can't show 4-dimensional depth, so they fake it with size. And now the part that breaks everyone. Watch what happens when the tesseract rotates, not in our 3 directions, but in a 4-dimensional way. The inner cube swells, pushes outward, and turns itself completely inside out, while the outer cube folds inward to take its place. Nothing is stretching or breaking. It's a perfectly rigid object, simply turning through a dimension you can't see. What looks like impossible flowing motion is really just a shadow, honestly reporting a rotation happening somewhere your eyes can't follow. So that's 15, and that's 5 full series. We've watched your intuition lose to probability, to infinity, to randomness, to comparison, and finally to space itself. 15 rounds, and not a single win. Brain, 0. Math, 15. But you just did something amazing. You looked at the shadow of a 4-dimensional object and actually understood it. Maybe your intuition didn't win, but it grew. Every playlist is linked, so you can start the whole journey over from the beginning. Subscribe, because there is always another impossible thing, and I will keep score.